Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. Nice to see you. Thank you so much for joining me and clicking on this video. As you can see, this is an IPSY unbagging. So this is the first IPSY January 2020. If you guys are interested in seeing that and much more unboxings and beauty hauls and beauty related things, including travel vlogs, go ahead and subscribe down below. I would love to have you here. So let's go ahead, what you've all been waiting for. Let's see if IPSY is going to kick it off for another good year. They've been pretty good so far, so hopefully they don't let me down like BoxyCharm has. If you haven't seen that video, yeah, it's down below. So let's get started. This is their bag. They are $12 a month subscription. You get skincare, hair things, you get makeup, beauty items in general. So for $12 a month. So if you're wanting to sign up, I will have a link down below. If not, it's just ipsy.com. I've already cut it open to alleviate that mess. And there's something out of the box. I'll get that first. Oh, it's a brush. Look at how pretty. It's so nicely wrapped and prepared as well. And look at the handle. It's so cute. It's like a marble, which is like all the rage right now. And it has this nifty little brush holder, which is just great. And it looks like a beautiful little pink brush. I don't really like the gold barrel. It would have been nicer if it was like silver or black or something. But overall, the brush is really, really soft. It'd be a nice brush for like contour, maybe blush or something. It is really soft though. It's not so soft when you poke yourself like this, which I hate because depending on what you're using it for, it can be a little pokey. So yeah. So there's that. Very cute. Off to a good start. I love getting brushes from IPSY. I stopped getting them for a couple of months and then they reappeared. So love that. Okay, now to the bag. Ooh, here is the bag. Look at how pretty. It's so aesthetically pleasing to my eyeballs. So it feels really nice and thick and like really hardy. It has a little IPSY emblem right there for the zipper, and that is what it looks like inside. Really pretty pink. So let's take out the card. It says clean slate. So there it is right there. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. So that is really cute, and here are the items. So first thing I'm pulling out is actually the item that I picked, and it is the Hemp's Original Hydrate and Nourish Body Moisturizer. I thought this would be perfect for my purse because I'm running low on my Bath & Body Works purse. It's like a banana cream. It smells so good, but I'm running low on it because I have a large family, so they was asking me for lotion, and it's really dry and cold here in Colorado. So that is going to come in handy, but a pretty good size. That is the travel size, and I think these run like $6 at Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. So it's Hemp's Original Body Moisturizer. Say goodbye to dryness, flakes, and irritation because this body lotion from Hemp's contains 100% pure hemp seed oil to help soothe all. Deluxe sample valued at $10.69. Oh, no, I'm sorry. The full-size version of 17 ounces is $10.69. So this is a few bucks right there. The next item I'm pulling out is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Okay, I've never heard of this. And it's lipstick, which I don't like. So we'll see. This is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Lipstick in Envy. We're always searching for hydrating lip color come winter, and this nourishing formula is proof that makeup can look beautiful and be healthy for you too. It's versatile rosy brown shade that is infused with vitamin C and E to get your lips pillowy soft and protected from the damage with every swipe. This is the full size, and this is valued at $20. So bing, bang, boom. Look at that. Let me open it. It's got castor seed oil, sunflower seed. It's got a lot of oils in it. This is a really pretty color, so I am going to keep it and try it. Oh, mine is damaged. It's like all fucked up. This is, I must say, like, this is really $20 for this. This is, I'd rather get a MAC lipstick. Like, this is it's very cheap. Not only that, mine is damaged, so I will be emailing them about that. Because that sucks. So, yeah. So, yeah, I will be emailing them about that, but that's a bummer. Anyways, just my whole lipstick is kind of damaged. If you guys can see that, it's like, I don't know, it's got like scuff marks and stuff. I will try it anyhow. So that's really pretty and actually feels very soft and creamy. So I will go ahead and try this on. That's like a lip gloss or like a lip balm. I really like that color. It has, oops. It has like a really nice subtle smell. I can't really pinpoint my finger on it, but it smells really good. So that'll run you $20. I do not think this is worth $20. This feels like a little CoverGirl lipstick. It feels amazing on my lips. It doesn't feel like lipstick. It feels like a lip balm that's colored. So I really like that about it. All right, next item here. This is by Aromatica Tea Tree Balancing Foaming Cleanser. Get your skin clean and healthy with this cream to foam face wash that removes dirt, oil, and makeup. Yep, even the most stubborn kind. It's made with skin-loving ingredients like tea tree oil to help calm inflammation, redness, and acne, and organic aloe vera leaf to moisturize and soothe. So the full size is 180 grams, and it is $26. This is the deluxe size right here. This is a vegan formula, and it is a sebum balanced. So very interesting. It is covered. Doesn't smell so strong, so that is good. I know tea tree can smell really strong, so that's good. I will totally use that. If not, and I don't like it, I'll pass it on to my daughter. She likes that kind of stuff. So this is the last item. Yeah, this is the last item right here. And this is from Morphe. This is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer in 2.25. Dark circles, redness, breakouts, whatever your concern is, this concealer covers it up with ease. The long-wearing formula is totally water-resistant, transfer-resistant, and sweat-proof for up to 16 hours. Plus, it's a free-form harmful ingredients. It's free from harmful ingredients like parabens and skin irritants like synthetic fragrances. So this is the full size, and it's valued at $9. 2.25. It is soft matte. I have really dry under eyes, so that is kind of scary, but we'll see. I have never tried any Morphe products. I've tried a couple of their eyeshadow palettes, and honestly, I passed them on because they were not good. So this is what it looks like, little flat doe foot applicator right here. And I will go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, it goes on really nicely, and that actually looks like a really good color for my under eyes. Yeah, that looks like a pretty good bright color. I have a little bit something under already, but I'll go ahead and put some on top because, as you can see, I can always use more. Ow. Yeah, that's a really good color. Wow. Very nice and brightening. And you don't need so much, which is great. There we go. Not too bad. This one looks much better, but I will definitely give this a try, of course. I like creamy, kind of my skin colored concealers for my under eyes. I don't really like to go super bright, but I really like that. So I would totally give this a thumbs up. This, I don't know about this. I really love the color and I really like the way it feels, but it's damaged and it's cheap and I don't think it's worth $20 at all. I'm so sorry, but I don't. Definitely use this and give that a try. Love this. Of course, I picked this out and that will go in my purse immediately. And if I did not say this already, this is a Farrah brush. This is the 160F face brush. And then it says you can apply liquid powder or cream bronzers and blushes. This is the full size, of course. This is valued at $12. So that's pretty pricey for one brush. So I don't think it's like Sephora Pro line good or MAC good, but it's decent. I'd probably pay like $6 for this brush, honestly. And you could probably find it for $6 at like TJ Maxx or something. But overall, we got 2 full-size products. And I thought the products that we got were pretty decent. I'm happy with this bag, as I usually am. So go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you liked this bag and you like these kind of videos. And comment down below what was your favorite thing. If you got your bag, what did you like from it? Did you like this month's or not? Let me know. So I will talk to you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!